Wagwan people, glad to have you back. Today, I've got another powerful story lined up, so sit tight and roll with me, because we're going to dive into a journey that will make you see Jamaica in a whole new light. Wagwan fam, welcome back to Drifta Kompass. Today, we're not just reasoning about a language, we're diving into rebellion, into survival, into a rhythm that has carried Jamaica's heartbeat across centuries. This is the story of Jamaican Patois. Plenty people out there think Patois is just broken English, but me I go tell you plain, that couldn't be further from the truth. This language is layered, powerful, alive, born in pain, but shaped into resistance. A tongue that says loud, we are here, we survive, we create. So me I beg you, stick with me, because this journey is going to change how you hear and how you feel the next time somebody say, me soon come. This is the unspoken story of Jamaican Patois. To understand Patois, we have to go way back to the transatlantic slave trade. Enslaved Africans, men, women, and picnic, torn from their homes, crammed onto ships and carried to Jamaica, a land under British rule. But here's the thing, they didn't all come from the same tribe or village. They came from all over West and Central Africa. Akan, Igbo, Yoruba, Twi, Congo, and more. Hundreds of tongues colliding in one place. Imagine the chaos, strangers ripped from home, not even able to reason with one another. But out of that chaos, something remarkable happened. A new voice was born, a Creole. The English of the enslavers, twisted, bent, and fused with African grammar, rhythm, and soul. It wasn't bad English, it was creativity in real time. It was survival disguised as speech. Patois became a shield and a sword, a secret code, a language that let enslaved Africans plan, plot, and resist right under the noses of those who claimed to own them. It was unity. It was identity. It was saying, we are not broken, we are whole. Fam, before we dive deeper into the heartbeat of Patois, me have a small request. If you love learning the real untold history of Jamaica, hit that like button right now to show some love. If you're new to the channel, subscribe and drift with the compass, because here we uncover the stories they don't always teach in school. Drop a comment too, we reason together here. Now, make we continue. So, what does this rebellion actually sound like? Listen close. Phonetics first. In Patois, words flow with a rhythm. The 8th sound, we drop it. House turn os. Heart become eart. Then the TH sound, it shift. Them become them. That become that. A simple tweak, but instantly recognizable, given the language its sharp, melodic edge. But the brilliance runs deeper in the grammar. Patois don't waste time. No long verb endings, straight to the point. Present tense, me run, I run. Past tense, me did run, I ran. Progressive, me a run, I am running. This was not laziness, it was genius. A streamlined system that worked for everybody, no matter where them come from. In a world of confusion, Patois brought clarity. And then the vocabulary, Africa still beats inside it. Words like picnic, child from Twi, dupi, ghost or spirit from the Akan belief, nyam, to eat, found in Bantu languages. These are not borrowed words, they are ancestral footprints, living proof that Africa was never erased. Fast forward centuries later, and Patois bust upon the world stage through music, reggae, dancehall, dub, every rhythm powered by Patois. Bob Marley never sing in Queen's English, him sing in the people's tongue. When him say, "Them a go tired for see we face," that wasn't just lyrics, that was resistance wrapped in melody. Patois make the message authentic, raw, unstoppable. People across the globe feel it, even if them couldn't understand every word. Because Patois is not just speech, it's emotion, energy, vibration. But it no stop there. Patois lives in literature, theater, daily life. It's how a mother scald her picnic, how friends joke, how preachers call down fire, how poets cut deep with truth. It is Jamaica's cultural heartbeat. But for all its beauty, Patois has long been disrespected. For generations, it was looked down upon. In schools, children get punished for speaking it. English alone was considered proper. Patois pushed aside, branded as unworthy. But the tide is shifting. Movements rise to recognize Patois as Jamaica's national language. Because language is more than grammar. It is identity, it is pride, it is home. Imagine classrooms where children learn to read and write in the very tongue they already speak with confidence. Imagine textbooks written in Patois side by side with English. That is empowerment. That is validation. And like the people, Patois keeps evolving. It picks up words from technology, from social media, from global slang, but it never loses its African heartbeat. Still resilient, still powerful, still free. So, the next time you hear Patois, whether it's a Bob Marley anthem, a dancehall clash, or just two friends reasoning upon a Jamaican corner, hear more than words. Hear the ancestors who refused silence. Hear the rhythm of a people who turned chains into culture. Hear Jamaica's soul. Patois is not broken. Patois is bold. Patois is freedom. Patois is Jamaica. Give thanks for being part of this journey, fam. Drop a comment and tell me, what Patois word or phrase do you love most? We want to see the vibes in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share the video so more people can understand the truth behind the language. Until next time, what good, stay curious, and keep drifting with the compass.